The 2015 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, power seat, passenger vanity mirror, steering wheel controls. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.